Good morning, Power Wash Store of Central PA. Rolling out another trailer here. This one's headed down south. We've got two 8-gallon a minute pressure washers here. Those are gear drive units, fueled by the 22-gallon fuel tank. Hose reels, we've got 5 of them, 2 garden hose, 1 soft wash, and 2 pressure washing. Soft wash setup is an air diaphragm setup, which I'll show you that on the back side of this. Our proportioner. With our pressure washers, we have 2 Flo Pros installed. This is just our Downstream remote setups here. That'll allow the user to switch from chemical and water just with a touch of the remote. Our tanks, we've got 2 270-gallon tanks, 1 100-gallon tank for bleach, and then 2 7-gallon soap tanks tucked in there. Back on the back side here is our VMAC compressor, 30 CFM. That's going to fuel or run our air diaphragm pump, which is up there in the upper corner of the trailer. The air tank on the VMACs are remote, so we have that tucked in here between the wheel well and the tanks. Power Wash Store of Central PA. For all of your custom build needs, 717-378-2276. Have a great day.